Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen with a new video. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make 100% natural homemade lip balm. If you're interested, keep watching. Starting off, you'll be needing a mixing bowl. So I just have this plastic mixing bowl with me, and the next thing we'll be needing is our Vaseline blue seal. Vaseline is our base. This is our base for the lip balm. You can decide to use any brand of Vaseline you like. You can even decide to use shea butter, but I am using Vaseline. This works best for me, and I'll just be taking 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, and I'll be putting it into the mixing bowl. And the next thing you're going to do to this Vaseline is to melt it, and I melt my Vaseline in hot water. So just boil hot water and place the bowl in the hot water, and now you see the Vaseline has melted. So the next thing we'll be needing now is our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil has moisturizing effect, and we want to have a lip balm that leaves our lips with moisture, not leaving our lips dry and chappy. So I'll be taking 1 teaspoon of my vitamin E oil. You can always decide to switch up the vitamin E oil for almond oil. These oils work best for moisturizing. You want to go ahead and mix this all up very well, and the next thing we'll be needing is food coloring. Okay, and I have the deep pink icing color. This color is usually used to make cake, that's why you see icing color. So I have the deep pink color here. This is very natural, it is edible, so that's the good thing about this lip balm. But I'm not saying you should eat it anyway, but I'm saying you have no fear if mistakenly it gets into your mouth. Okay, so I'll be taking, I can't remember the measurement, but this is the smallest spoon in the bunch, so I'll be taking just 2 of it, not very full. So I believe that when it comes to color, add what works best for you. Add to your desired color concentration. Okay, so I'm just working with what I desire and what is best for me. So I go ahead to mix this up together. It gives us very rich deep pink color. Okay, this color is very rich and very good. You will see at the end of the video how this lip balm turned out. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it very well. Make sure you're mixing well. Mix it very well, because I realized that at this point my Vaseline was almost solidifying, so I needed to take the extra step of mixing this lip balm up very well with the Vaseline, so I do not end up with divided particles. So now I'll be transferring the lip balm into a storage container. Store it in any container you please, but I just have this cream container that has finished, so I'm transferring it there. And yeah, I'll transfer all the lip balm into your container. So when you're done with that, please cover up the container and place it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so that it can solidify. So this is 30 minutes after, and this is what my lip balm turned out. This is for a tutorial purpose, that's why I didn't make it in a large quantity, and even this quantity can even go for weeks or months. Okay, so this is what the lip balm looks like. So I'll be doing a practical experiment here, so you can see my lips already rich and beautiful. So I'll go ahead and show you how this lip balm turned out. As you guys already know, I am so extra, so I went ahead to apply a lip gloss so that it can shine, shine, shine. Yeah, so this is what my lip balm looks like. It's very good, very rich. Okay, this is very, very beautiful and concentrated at the same time. Yeah, so this is what the lip balm looks like. Homemade, natural, very safe for you to apply on your lips. So if you enjoyed this video and you've not given it a thumbs up, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Make sure you try out this lip balm in your house. It's super affordable. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.